In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your phone or laptop using your Gmail account. It's a simple process that you can complete in just 5 minutes, so let's get started right away. First, you need to head over to the Google homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in www.google.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Google homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You're searching for the Sign In button, which should be fairly prominent. This step is necessary to access all the great features of your Google account. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your Gmail address and password. If you don't have them memorized, make sure you have them handy. If you're already signed in, you can skip this step as Google remembers and keeps you logged in on your device for added convenience. Now that you're logged into your Google account, you'll want to navigate directly to Gmail. You can usually find the Gmail link at the top right of your screen, or you might see an envelope icon that represents your inbox. Clicking here will take you straight to your Gmail dashboard, where you can access a variety of services. Once you're in your Gmail dashboard, look again to the top right corner. In this area, there's an icon or image representing your profile. Click on your profile picture or initial, and a drop-down menu will appear, providing different options related to your account. Now that you have your profile options in front of you, look for the link that says Manage Your Google Account. Once you click that, you're directed to a new page showcasing various account management options. This is where you'll find the tools needed to proceed. Within the Google account page, you'll see a tab labeled People and Sharing. Click on it, and it will reveal another set of options focused on how you connect and share data with others. In the People and Sharing section, you'll find an option for location sharing. Clicking on this will bring up all the settings related to tracking and sharing the location of your devices. This is the crucial step in ensuring you can track your phone or laptop whenever needed. And that's it, you're set up to track your phone or laptop through your Gmail account. This feature can be incredibly useful, providing peace of mind by knowing that you can locate your device if it's lost. Remember, regularly checking and updating your settings ensures that everything runs smoothly and securely. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.